have a very comprehensive arrangement of all the speakers who came across and who has given a real inside information about how's the process, how's the duration. We probably as a realtor or if we are promoting this project, it will be helpful for us.
I think the session is very comprehensive, so it covers a lot of information, things like your loan, market outlook, licensing. So basically things that we need to know as an investor, as a user, are all covered.
It was a very good event that we had today, and really appreciate the speakers, Joshua, Serene, Zitek, Tekin for coming here to share with us on the industrial properties, investments and market outlook, and also really appreciate our sponsors UOB for supporting this event, and we look forward to working with all our partners for future other events.